Alright, welcome to this video lesson, and we're picking up at line 102, de adverbio, concerning the adverb. Adverbium quid est? An adverb, what is it? Pars rationes, says the student, part of speech, quae adjecta verbo significationem eius explanat atque implet, which, added to the verb, explains its significance and fulfills it, or fills it out. Okay, so basically is describing the verb is what we would say, right? Then the teacher says, significatio adverbiorum in quo est. The significance or the meaning of adverbs in what is it? Sunt aut loci adverbia, aut tempores, aut numeri, aut negandi, aut adfirmandi, aut demonstrandi, aut optandi, aut hortandi, aut ordinis, aut interrogandi, aut qualitatis, aut quantitatis, aut dubitandi. Alright, so there are adverbs of place, or of time, or of number, or of denying, negation we might say, or of affirmation, or of showing, or of wishing, or of exhorting, urging, or of order, or of asking, interrogative type adverbs, or of quality, or of quantity, or of doubt, basically. Alright. Da adverbia loci. Give adverbs of place. Alright, and the student gives some examples. Utic, vel ibi, as here or there. Intus, vel foris, inside or outside. Illuc, vel inde, to that place, illuc, or from there, inde. Da temporis. We have to understand adverbs of time. And the student gives some examples. Ut hodie nunc nuper cras aliquando. As hodie, today, nunc, now, nuper, recently, cras, tomorrow, aliquando, at some time or sometimes. Numeri, of number, as simul, once, bis, twice, ter, three times, negandi, of negation, ut non, as for example known, meaning not, affirmandi, of affirmation, or of affirming, ut etiam, as etiam, even now or also, quid me, why not, demonstrandi, adverbs of showing, or of pointing, ut ein, ecce, as for example, ein, which is look or behold, and ecce, which is pretty much the same, look or behold. So those are adverbs that you use to sort of draw attention to something, right? Optandi, adverbs of wishing, utinam, as for example, utinam, which we could translate as would that, or I wish that. Hortandi, adverbs of exhorting or urging, ut ea, as for example, ea. Ordinis, ut dende, an adverb of order, as for example, then or next, dende. Interrogande, adverbs of asking or interrogative type. Ut cur, as for example, cur, why. Quare, another word for why. Quam obrin, we could translate that on account of what thing. Qualitatis, of quality, adverbs of quality. Ut docte, as for example, learnedly. Pulchre, beautifully. Fortiter, bravely. All those describe qualitative way that you do a thing. Quantitatis, adverbs of quantity, ut multum parum, as for example, multum, a lot or much, and parum, a little or too little. Dubitandi, of doubting or of uncertainty, ut forsitan, fortasse, as perhaps or maybe. Comparatio adverbiorum inquest. Comparison of adverbs in what is it, or not sort of in what way is it, right? How does it go, we might say. And the student says, in tribus gradibus comparationis, in 3 grades of comparison, positivo, the positive degree, comparativo, the comparative degree, superlativo, the superlative degree. And then the teacher says, da adverbium positivi gradus, give an adverb of the positive degree. Alright, and the student says, ut docte, comparativi, ut doctivus, superlativi, ut doctissime. So, examples as, for example, learnedly, that's the positive, and the comparative as, for example, more learnedly, doctus, and superlative degree as, for example, doctissime, which is most learnedly. Alright, and that completes De Adverbio, so we will conclude the lesson there.